the Queens-bound J local train via the M line. The next stop is Myrtle Avenue, Wyckoff Avenue.
Meanwhile, on the other hand, I can't wait to come to New York. As I said already, that I'll be coming on the 23rd of December to the 13th of January in 2025. So this time I'll be coming for 3 weeks. It's an extended trip. I look forward to see you all there. And of course, on the other hand, I look forward to ride the end of the year holiday train if there's one, and I'll see you all there. And of course, I look forward to hang out with LEGO MTA as well to do a lot more subway and bus related projects. And of course, some other trains including LIRR, MNR, and of course the New Jersey Transit. Those will be on my hit list. There's no way they're not on there as well.
Click here to watch the full episode now.